For task 2, you're still going to need to make sure that you have all of your tabs open from yesterday. So the Google Slides tab and the law codes. If you did choose one of the law codes and put it here, for example, maybe the Hammurabi Code, you probably could X out the law codes of the 12 tables in Ashoka that you're not going to be using. So this should be done, and you should have your paragraph that answers these questions about the background information of your law code that you chose. We're going to use the Hammurabi Code as our example. For task 2, you want to answer these 2 questions that you see here based on the law code that you chose. You want to look at one specific law and explain how did it affect different groups of people and why was this individual law developed. Maybe give a summary of what the law code specifically is saying too. You may need to look at some of the other laws around it to understand how it affected different groups of people. So for example, if I want to do the one from Hammurabi's code that says you should do an eye for an eye, you might need to look at if that's the same across for all people in the social hierarchy, or if it was different for slaves and free people, or if it was different for men and women, or parents and children, and how it affected different people. So take a look at that and write your sentences to explain what exactly is going on in one specific law of the law code you chose from yesterday.